Welcome to Hari's English Language Program. Today our class is about reading. I promise you, reading doesn't only improve your reading, it improves your listening and as well as activating your speaking power. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's go to start our class today. Our class is about my teacher. My teacher. My teacher is the one of the most influential people in my life. She's not only an educator, but also a guide, a mentor, and a role model. Every day my teacher comes to class with dedication and enthusiasm, ready to share knowledge and inspire students to learn and grow. One of the things I admire most about my teacher is her passion for teaching. No matter how difficult a lesson may be, my teacher explains it in a simple and clear way so that everyone can understand. She is always patient and never gets tired of answering our question. This creates a positive and encouraging learning environment in the classroom. My teacher also teaches us important life values such as honesty, respect, and responsibility. She encourages us to work hard, believe in ourselves, and never give up on our dreams. Whenever I feel confused or discouraged, my teacher supports me and gives me confidence to continue. Another great quality of my teacher is fairness. She treats all students equally and motivates everyone to do their best. My teacher recognizes our efforts and appreciates even small achievements, which makes us feel proud and motivated. In conclusion, my teacher plays a vital role in shaping my future. I am very grateful for the knowledge and guidance I receive every day. I will always respect and remember my teacher for the positive impact she has made in my life. Now this is the second part of our reading. We will discuss the 20 difficult words with Pashto and Dari translation. As usual, I read the words 3 times and you just look at the meaning in Pashto and Dari as well. Let's come to discuss the first word. Influential. 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 Educator. 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 Mentor. 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 Role model. Role model. Dedication. 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 Enthusiasm. 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 Next page. Knowledge. 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 Inspire. inspire, passion, 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 patient, 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 environment, 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 encourage, encourage, encourage. Let's talk about the next page. Confidence, 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 discouraged, discouraged, support, support, fairness, 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 equally, equally, recognize, 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 achievement, achievement. Please write one sentence about recognize and one sentence about confidence in the column box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Harris English Language Program. So long.